Okay, I'm going to do a song here. This is a request from YouTube user ThunderBruce16, and this is to the Snakeman. There's a long stint here. I'm just going to say, he just wants me to sing a song for him and cheer him up and everything. But I guess he wants me to sing the song "Get Out of My Dreams and Into My Car" by Billy Ocean. And wow, this is from like 1988, I think. Good God, that was a long time ago. I think I was a sophomore in high school back then. I remember the song though. Good song, fun song. I even remember the video actually. But anyway, so yeah, this is to the Snakeman from YouTube user ThunderBruce16. Get out of my dreams, get into my car. So here we go. Breaking out the microphone. Hey, you! Get into my car. Who moved? You. Get into my car. Who's that lady coming down the road? Who's that lady? Who's that woman walking through my door? What's the score? I'll see the sun shining on you. Hey, Cinderella, spin your shoes. I'll be your non-stop lover. Get it while you can. Your non-stop miracle. I'm your man. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my dreams, baby. Get into my car. Beep, beep, yeah. Out of my mind. Get into my life. Ooh. I said, hey, you. Get into my car. Oh, baby. Lead driver, let me take your wheel. Operator, touch my bumper. Hey, let's make a deal. Make it real. Like a road runner coming after you. Just like a hero out of the blue. I'll be your non-stop lover. Get it while you can. Your non-stop miracle. I'm your man. Get out of my dreams. my car. Oh, you, get into my car. Alright, that's it. For Snakeman from Thunder Brew 16. Be the ocean, get out of my dreams, and get into my car.